Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hidayatullah with another new video. In a previous video, I've shown you that how we'll design our slab. How we'll design slab for our full structure and full structural building. And we have designed slab. We have designed I have designed foundation just here. There is a foundation design, and I have shown everything about that. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show that how we'll design mat foundation. Okay, suppose somewhere you record mat foundation where your that simple foundation are not working. If that isolated foundation is not working, then also combined footing are not working. So how we'll go for our mat foundation and how we'll design our mat foundation for a building. So I'm going to start that, and if you're new here, you can watch our previous video. That every video link and every video playlist are given in description in types of playlist. And also, if you're new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Now I'll just here base, and if you have any basic problem, basic learning problem, then you can watch our previous video. There have many types of software tutorial in our channel. So after that, I will just select wall slab, and I'll go ahead 3D. I'll select all of our slab and everything here, and I'll go for delete. So from here I will just delete pad base. Okay, then okay. So when you will first time you will design and analysis a model, then you will get that like you will get your model like that way. So I have already shown you that how we'll design foundation for that condition. After that condition, how we'll design our foundation. But in this video, I'm going to show that how we'll design for a mat foundation. So to design a mat foundation, first of all, we have to delete our wall reaction. So from here, select that. Okay, select base, just go to 2D, then select all of our foundation reaction point here, and how we'll get that the types of level here. Okay, so how we'll get that, I'm just going to show that from here. Just come here structure, then structure. After that, from here, just double click any on what you double click any of it what you record. Then after coming here base, just press your after selecting your wall base element, then press delete. After that, you will see here support and member. We will just delete support, not member. So untick member. After that, click OK. Now if you see in 3D, just see here they have no support actually, right? So when we have done that, now we'll go for our mat foundation design. So for that, we have to go here mat foundation. After that, if you think that your total foundation is rectangle, then you can directly select a rectangle. Okay, and also if you think that your foundation is your mat is strap and it's not symmetric or anything, just you can click here, and for and this is for area. Okay, so this it's done. So after that, just come here. I will just select that area so that we can draw our area. Okay, minimum area. So just I will click here. Now I'll come here. First of all, slab. Okay, add to existing. Okay, will add the slab in that existing. After that, overhanging. What will be what is the meaning of overhanging? From center point of the foundation, what will be the distance of it? How distance it will be outside of that of our boundary line. This is, suppose this is our boundary line, so how much will take in outside? Okay, this is known as overhanging. So I'll consider that it's suppose 18 inch, 1.5 inch. After that, come here foundation type. Which types of foundation it is? This is foundation mat. Okay, so we'll select from here foundation mat. After that, it is reinforced concrete, and it will be two-way obviously. Then overall depth, what will be the overall depth of our foundation? First of all, I will select that our foundation overall depth is suppose 15 sorry 15 inch. Okay, then concrete type normal, and from here concrete grade, we'll select our concrete grade to. So after that, after providing here diaphragm option, which types of slab it is, I will consider rigid, as it is reinforced concrete, so it is rigid. After that, here soil parameters. Okay, so here use ground bearing springs, okay, and also allowable bearing pressure. So what is the allowable bearing pressure? Suppose our bearing pressure will be 4 to 4.2 ksf. After the type, okay, so ground is stiffness, ground stiffness. What is the ground stiffness? Type, here are types, which types of sorry here spring linear. Then here is stiffness, it's you can give here, I mean you have to give here that value. After that, come here foundation type mat, and rotation, if it's have rotation, then give here, and here include in diaphragm. Okay, then override slab depth, then auto design. Okay, so after that livelihood reduction, no, just come here reinforcement, just click on that plus reinforcement, and from here, as we're using auto design, from here this is the auto design. Okay, so it will be, it's not mandatory to change anything from here, and if you want to design that manually, then you can give that value here. But here I will just give here top cover, what is the qLearn cover 3 inch, and our bottom cover also 3 inch. Okay, our top and bottom cover of our foundation will be 3 inch, right? So it's done, and now I will come here and I'll zoom out, and from here, so to draw foundation by using that option, I mean minimum area. Okay, just first of all click on of any corner, I mean on of the corner, so just that corner. After that, click that corner. After that, click that corner. Okay, and here just click that corner. Just see that our foundation have created, I mean our mat foundation have created. Again click that corner. So just sorry, if we see it in 3D, just see here, here is our mat foundation. Our mat foundation is okay. So after that, after creating our mat foundation, we have just come here analyze, and I mean just we have to analyze our model. So after that, we'll see some parameters. Okay, it's done. Now we'll come here result view. Okay, so for result view, after result view, just from here we can take our different types of view. If we click here for sorry, first of all we have to give a load, suppose for dead load. Just see here, there is the if we come here, just here is suppose result. Here is the result here, bearing pressure. Okay, here is the bearing pressure. What is the bearing pressure? 0.37 ksf and 0.16. 0.37 here, the maximum are in middle also, it's showing 0.37 ksf. Okay, bearing pressure. So from here we can take our another bearing pressure. After that, here this is the result for moment. Okay, so here is our value. After that, if you want to see the deflection, so see here the deflection, it's 0.02 inch in her rate. So if we see here, or just here, from here we can see that what is our maximum deflection occurring. After that, deflection in total, so if I see deflection in z direction, so it's that is the deflection. After that, I mean like that you can see your value from here, or what you required for that. Okay, so after that we'll just come here in structural view. Okay, and from here I'll just delete that. Now I'll just come here. Okay, and I'll go in base. Okay, structural base, and from here just click it. Okay, done. Now I'll just come here, foundation. Okay, for foundation here, after coming here foundation, now we'll go for design. Okay, we'll go for design. So to design matte foundation, we have to click here, design, click here and open for some time. Now show that it's showing us warning, but our foundation is okay. So if I see, right click and check panel, what is the warning here? So reinforcement design details, just see for bottom limiting reinforcement here, check minimum spacing tension bar here, check minimum spacing tension bar. Here the minimum tension bar are not okay. So we'll see that summary. In summary here, minimum spacing of tension bar. Okay, just from here we can see that it's showing us of warning. So if we see here, the bar spacing 7 inch and maximum spacing like that, and maximum spacing here 7. Okay, so bar spacing here, maximum spacing 17 plus 23 divided by 32. Okay, so I'll just close that and I'll select that, and from here I'll see it here, and I'll go here in reinforcement. Okay, so I'll come here, bar spacing, here is the bar spacing in X direction, number 4 bar, and bar spacing in Y direction, and bar spacing in, here is the actually here it's showing us the reinforcement. I mean required reinforcement is, I mean we have provided here that reinforcement. Here we have provided some reinforcement, but this reinforcement is more than that our requirement. Okay, so if I come here, if I just come here and here if I give 7, okay, also if I give here for 7, but for bottom if I give here 10, after that if I give here 10, then see what happen again. So just come to foundation and then design matte. Okay, so after that escape. It's also showing the warning, so I'll go again, check panel. So here it's showing bottom reinforcement, summary, warning, utilization ratio 0.0983, critical combination, that is the critical combination for that utilization ratio. So I'll just come here and it's showing warning here. Sorry, close that. I mean after providing that value, we have provided that value, we have to just here reinforcement. This is 7, this 7, and also this is 7, and also this is 7. Okay, now we have to go here analysis actually. So analysis, just again come here, reinforcement here. Now I'll go foundation. and go for skip that and go for matte foundation design. So it's okay. Now I will come here, I'll just go in 2D mode, and after that I will use patch column. Okay, so I will use patch column. So what is the actually depth? 15 inch, or foundation depth 15 inch. So I will just come here, patch column, select patch column, and from here select full foundation. Okay, then just click here design patch. Okay, just click here design patch. Now see that our foundation is okay. So if you see now and go to 3D mode and see here, our foundation is okay, full okay, our foundation is fully okay. So again, if we go here design matte, just see here our foundation is okay. They have no foundation with our, they have no problem with our foundation, right? So in this way, just we can design our foundation, and I will just show that how to find out its detailing. So just come here. Also you can see its report. Okay, its design report or anything from here by selecting what is the requirement of its materials. Also you can select that. Okay, so just come here. For that, here is the material list. So from here you can select material list, then show report. Just click here material list and show report, and just see. Oh, actually I have seen about that in our previous video. That's why I'm just not going to show you that again. So here is our matte foundation 1, and the total volume of our RCC is 1990 feet cube. So here you can find out your data. After that, if I go here drawing, so from here just click here matte foundation detailing. Okay, right here just click here, and from here select your scale. I'll select 1 inch equal to 1 feet. Okay, then press OK. After that, wait for some time. You will see here is the detailing, and here is the required reinforcement. Okay, how much reinforcement are required here, and here is the required detailing also here. So it's not showing clearly actually. Just see here number 4 bar here. So here you will find out your reinforcement detailing here, and also you can change its color from here. Okay, so from here you can change your color. So just close that. No. So thank you very much. If you think that was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also like our video, and also share our video with your engineer friends. Thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.